Welcome back to FySelf News. If you want to eat delicious food, create your digital twin, train it with your taste, and it will create special recipes for you. Whether you are a vegetarian or you like special dishes, your digital twin will guide you every day. And if you want to be a haute cuisine chef with TwinH, you will achieve it. But don't let what happened to this girl happen to you. Let's have a look. Earn money with TwinH but take care of your home. Surprising truth.